Back to my YouTube channel Kuku TV. Today we are talking about how serious is the biodiversity crisis. So let's start the video and let's talk about it in detail because biodiversity is so crucial to our future survival. Its loss is a crisis on a global scale. For the last few years, the climate crisis has been the spotlight as it should be, but if we fix the climate crisis and not the biodiversity crisis, mass extinction for not just wildlife but of human too may well happen anywhere. As terrifying a prospect as that is, we must tackle both crises with equal urgency. They are equal and twin crises, as if we don't fix the biodiversity crisis, we are putting ourselves in a position where we won't be able to feed ourselves, and we have more and more serious natural disaster. There is also more risk of zoonotic disease similar to COVID-19 transferring over human. The more we encroach onto wild areas, it's of vital importance that we stop and reverse the decline we are already seeing. Why is it so important to not just stop but to reverse biodiversity loss? Whether countries, usually in global north, have seen decades of industrialization and economic development, which has meant that a lot of biodiversity has already been destroyed or at least pushed to the margins. We see these declines reflected in bird number, insect number, and many others. It's really important that, as well as protecting the plant most special hotspot for biodiversity, rainforest in Amazon are part of we have caused to deteriorate in parts of Europe. We need to do so for planet and to ensure that we don't lose any more of them, but also for resilience. Some of these areas like backlands and wetlands store carbon. Therefore it's incredibly important that we restore them so that they can help us tackle climate change as well as providing habitat for many species. Another important issue is that of connectivity. There is a risk that only focusing on protecting areas, resulting in small islands of biodiversity that are undeniably very nice, but probably won't fix the problem as species struggle to move between them and different ecosystems cease to interact. It's vitally important that nature is restored at landscape scale so there is connectivity and species can move around. This way there is a wider ecosystem rather than only isolated protected areas. Related to all that, if you want to ask anything, you can ask it to me in the comment section. And if you are new to my YouTube channel Kuku TV, must subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more upcoming videos and details. Keep watching and keep supporting. Thank you so much, and don't forget to share your views in comment section and suggest us more topics for the videos that will be important for you in future. Keep watching and keep supporting Kuku TV. Thank you.